Good evening, good afternoon everyone. Yesterday we have discussed about memory classification, types of memories. So now I have given another chance to you. How do you learn? What is what to say about a case study video. So now one by one you can come and say about memory classification, types of RAM, ROM, and cache memory, auxiliary memory. So, what is more? We have share a lot of things and lot of information for your students. Thank you.
I am talking about cache memory. Cache memory is a high-speed small memory placed between CPU and main memory. So to store frequently, so the CPU can access them faster. It can reduce time needed to access data of the memory. Key points of cache memory. Cache memory is faster than main memory but smaller in size. It holds copy and frequently and use the data instruction. It reduces the average time to access memory. Cache memory uses RAM for static RAM. It works directly with the CPU, increase the performance of the computer. Cache memory is one of the type of the fastest memory in the CPU. It can help more than many ways in our computer. Cache memory is one of the type of the main memory to increase the technology and the main memory of the computer.
Now I'm going to speak about disadvantage of RAM. The first disadvantage of RAM is overtime memory. The data stored in RAM will be erased if the power gets turned off. The data in RAM will be not saved permanently. The second disadvantage of RAM is expensive. RAM is so expensive compared to other data storage like HDD and SSD and ROM. The second disadvantage of RAM is limited capacity. Devices cannot accept more amount of RAM in it. The fourth disadvantage of RAM is consume more power. To retain more data, RAM consumes more power. So this leads to consumption of more power and it's to an expense. The fifth disadvantage of RAM is no long-term storage. The RAM cannot save store data for long period of time compared to other data. So we should install other data storage devices to store data permanently.
Today we are going to see about the topic of advantages and disadvantages of a RAM. Advantages of RAM: provide fast data, access about 100 times faster than a hard drive, enhance multiple tasking by allowing multiple programs to run smoothly, improve system responsiveness and faster startup, can be easily upgraded to increase capacity and performance, consume less power compared to the hard drives and SSDs. Enable quick application loading and smooth gaming performance.
My topic is about programmable read-only memory. Programmable read-only memory is also called as non-binary programmable. By manufacturing root chip and data entry by the connections, it is also called as technological learning by organization by persons by setting the panel and charging all the connections to the one power to another power to developing the information. To also the development and analytics of software and connecting the information from the probe chip with this memory to the storage and the developing skills and the permanent change cannot be stored in the blank chip of the program.
Now, all of the say about that case study. It's a very interesting and very nice, Rakshit and Navadi. So it was nice case study video. Thank you for your cooperation. And next video we can next topic DT based activity from one topic. Next day we will discuss about DT activity. Okay, thank you.
Love, 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 love.